In this podcast, you really have to be smart in keeping things that are vertical, vertical, horizontal, horizontal. If you do that, this is a walk in the park. Take a look at this example. You've got a point. This point is negative 4 comma 6. You're going to transform this into something. Think about what's happening here. First thing that we've got here is this. That's an A value. So that is a vertical transformation. It's a vertical stretch of 3. So multiply anything that's vertical by 3. Well, look at this. That makes this real simple. Here's our thing. Here's our point. Here's our vertical. Multiply it by 3. Your new point is going to be negative 4, 18. You don't even have to graph it. It just, boom, there it is. So I'm going to put down here, negative 4, comma, 18. There's our new point. Notice nothing happened to the x because emphasis on the x. Nothing's happening with the x. Woohoo! Awesome. Okay, let's go to B here. Aha! Now I've got an x. Aha! Now I know that this is going to be a horizontal stretch, right? It's going to be a horizontal stretch. So I'm dealing with the x. And remember, what is the factor? Times, you got to flip it when it's in the bracket. 1/2. Okay, so now we're going to take this negative 4, 6, that's this guy right here. We're going to multiply only the x's now by 1/2. So our new point, oh, that's easy, negative 2 comma 6. There's our new point. Wow, this is a walk in the park. Oh, as long as you keep them organized, you'll be fine. Okay, let's check out this next one. Notice how we put the 3 over here. Well, get rid of that 3. Divide each side by 3. Oh, what does that mean? Okay, y equals 2. Well, wait a second. I have divided by 3, which is the same as multiplying by a third. I already have a half out here already. F of negative. Oh, my goodness. We're throwing everything at you on this one, aren't we? Oh, that's no problem. 1 times 1, guess what? That's 1. 3 times 2, that's 6. There's your A value. Your F of negative x, check it out, which means emphasis on the x, which guess what? Means that this is going to be a horizontal reflection, okay? And let's figure it out. Oh, okay, so there's my A value of 1/6. That's going to be multiplied, since that is a vertical one, it's going to be multiplied only by the y values. Okay, here's our horizontal one. Our horizontal one means these are the x values. Okay, so let's find out our original point. Our original point was negative 4, 6. Okay, here we go. Negative 4, 6 was our original point. Okay, there's our A, which affects the y, so multiply this by 1/6. And there's our x, which is right here. And if you want, you can even say multiply it by negative 1. So guess what our new point is? It's going to be positive 4, comma 1. There's our new point. Oh, is that ever cool? Okay, let's go to our last question, which is this mess. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Notice emphasis on the y, so bring that negative over by multiplying both sides by negative 1, that side and that side. Okay, so that leaves you nice, beautiful y. That gives you negative 3. Now, look at what's inside the brackets. 1/4. Aha. So there's our A value, which of course affects only the y coordinates. There's our B value, which we know we have to flip, so this becomes a scale factor of 4. Excellent. Okay, our original point, of course, was negative 4, comma 6. Apply the A value right there, multiply that by negative 3, apply the B value right there, multiply that by 4. Look what we get. We get negative 16, comma negative 18. Oh my goodness, right? So think of what we're doing here. This is a stretch of 3 and a vertical reflection. This is a stretch of 4. Don't forget to flip it.